Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix login problem on your Spotify with your phone number. So guys, if you are unable to log into your Spotify app with your phone number and you are facing this problem, here I will show you how can you easily fix this. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and here I will give you some possible solutions that will help you to fix this problem in your device. So guys, first of all, drag down your control center and from here make it sure that your internet connection is working properly. So I'll make sure that your internet connection is working properly, and after this go for the next solution, that is you will have to make it sure that you are giving a correct number to log into your Spotify app. So guys, give the proper number and correct number on Spotify to log into your Spotify app. So guys, after this go for the next solution. If it doesn't work, that is you will have to update your Spotify app. So for that, open up your Play Store and from here search for Spotify. So guys, from here just update your Spotify app and check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this go for the next solution. If it doesn't work, that is you will have to disconnect all the connected VPNs in your device. So guys, for that, open your settings and from here scroll it below and tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management. So guys, from here you will have to disconnect all the connected VPNs if there is any. So guys, after this check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, if you are still facing this problem, then open your settings again and again tap on general, and from here tap on iPhone storage, and from here scroll it below and from here tap on show all, and again scroll it below and tap on Spotify. So guys, from here you will have to simply offload the app for one time and then you will have to reinstall the app again to fix this problem. So I offload the app and reinstall your Spotify app and check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, if you are still facing this problem, then you will have to open your browser and from here search for support.spotify.com. Here it is. So guys, from here tap on account help. So guys, from here you will have to submit your request regarding your login problem with your phone number, and hopefully the Spotify team will contact you within 24 hours and they will fix this problem for you and your account will be logged in easily. So I thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.